So let's discuss this week's activity. By the way, we are now in week 5. And this is instructional support page 13, which can be found on your printed material. And do not forget that you have to write down your complete answer in a separate sheet of paper. Okay? In a separate sheet of paper, do not forget to write down your name, your grade, and section. And as for the inclusive dates, this is for May 10 to 14 activities. Okay? So, at the end of this, you must demonstrate understanding of the key concepts of the combinatorics and probability. And you must solve problem involving permutations and combinations. So, let's discuss the following exercises. Let's begin with exercises A. As for exercises A, let me read the instruction. Complete the table below by identifying whether the problem is a permutation or a combination. And circle the clue words or the phrase in each problem that made you decide of your answer. Again, you have to complete the table. Here's the table by identifying whether the problem is a permutation or a combination. And then after that, encircle the clue words or phrase in each problem that made you decide of your answer. Now, since you have to encircle the clue words, that means that the items here, these items, and the item on the next page, this is page 14, must be rewritten in your answer sheet. Again, this table, the whole table, will be rewritten. You have to rewrite this in your answer sheet. Answer? Answer sheet. Okay. Okay. Now, let me do number 1 and then you will do the rest. Okay. For number 1, 6 people are in a contest. How many ways can first and second be rewarded? Again, 6 people are in a contest. How many ways can first and second be rewarded? So, let's analyze the problem. Is the problem suggest permutation or is the problem suggest combination? So, you are in a contest in which you have to identify the first and the second. Correct? So, if that's the case, if you will observe the keywords first and second, they signifies rank. Correct? And rank is for permutation. So, question number 1 or the scenario for number 1 suggests permutation. So, you have to write down permutation. Okay? After writing down permutation, you have to encircle the clue words or phrase in each problem that made you decide of your answer. So, what made you decide that that number 1 is permutation? By the words first and second. Okay, so you have to encircle them. So that's it. You have to answer the rest. Items 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait for that. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, you have to answer items 2 to 10. Okay, do not forget that you have to identify whether the problem is a permutation or a combination. And then after that, encircle the clue words or phrase in each problem that made you decide of your answer. And again, you have to rewrite the whole table in your answer sheet.